Welcome to AnyRecover channel. Do you have a damaged PDF file that won't open or display correctly? Don't worry, it's a common problem that can happen for various reasons and it's fixable. So I will show you how to repair corrupted or damaged PDF files. Next, let's get to the point. PDF files can become corrupted due to various reasons like poor internet connection, malfunctioning of computer system and virus infection, etc. To fix this issue, you can try to check network and system, but these way are not sure to recover your PDF. So you can rely on PDF files repair software. AnyRecover is a highly recommended tool that supports repairing corrupted PDF files and other 1000 plus file types. It also allows you to recover lost files that were deleted from the recycle bin, overwritten files, or temporary system files. Simply click on the free download link and get started. Launch AnyRecover after it has been installed on your computer. Hit the lost file on your hard drive or an external storage device, then it starts scan. After scan, find the list of files. Double-click to preview, making sure it is the damaged PDF file. Finally, simply click on Recover. It's done. The whole process is simple as it only requires a few clicks. Moreover, AnyRecover provides a free trial that allows to scan and preview the deleted data before buying the full version. Have a try now. Finally, if this video helps, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.